Happy Sunday, everyone, and I want to say welcome back to Lofgren Life. And if you are new here, I want to say welcome. Thank you for visiting my channel. I want to first address the most important thing first is the 100 subscriber giveaway has ended and a winner has been picked. I used the app Comment Picker, and Vegas Mommy, I hope I'm saying your name right. You are the winner of the 100 subscriber giveaway, so congratulations to you. And I also want to say thank you so much to everyone who entered the giveaway. And I want to say thank you for meeting some new people that are now a part of my Lofgren Life channel, and I've made some new friends on here. So I want to say thank you to each one of you as well. And we will definitely support each other. And we will definitely stay connected to everyone. So to get into this extreme special cleaning video that you're watching now, I am going to do my regular cleaning that I always do, but I'm also going to do a little something special in this video. And this is a shout out to the ladies that I do follow and watch. One is Love Meg. Her channel is Love Meg 09, and I think This Crazy Life. I think her name is Amanda. And there's one other lady, I'm sorry, I can't remember. But I definitely want to give a shout out to you guys because this is definitely an idea that I got from the three of you. So you guys stay until the end because there is a special thing that I have at the end of this video. So please watch all the way to the end, and hopefully this motivates you as well to do things for your family.
You love me better than you do, yeah. You love me better than you. It's like we're stuck, you won't grow up, and I'm getting tired of waiting. It's like we're stuck, you won't grow up, and I'm getting tired, I'm tired of waiting for you to make your move. He can love me better than you. He can love me better than you. On my mind's loving's on my mind. He can do me better. He can do me better. On my mind's everything I like. He can do me better. He can do me better than you. He love me better than you do, yeah. You love me better than you. Love me better than you do. I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free, and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder.
So here, what I do to clean my microwave, I use a half part vinegar, half part water, and I put that in the microwave for 5 minutes, and then I go ahead and clean other things around the kitchen. And once that is finished, after 5 minutes, I go and I wipe the microwave out, and everything that's in there that's all stuck on the walls and that's gunky and nasty, it just wipes right out with no problem. And that is the best thing, natural cleaning that I've used that to clean my microwave.
I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no gloves. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no gloves. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no gloves. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no gloves. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. Yeah, he sets my body in motion. He knows how to turn things up. And he knows what gets me going. Yeah, like a little text saying, hey, what's up? They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us. Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time? Yeah, he gets when I'm in a bad mood. Then he knows how to make it alright. Yeah, I get that he got a history, but I don't wanna think about no other than us. They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us. Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to be good?
Now, if you've been watching my channel for a little while, everyone knows that I use tons of vinegar to do my cleaning. So here on my stove, I always use vinegar and baking soda, and that helps to get those cooked in stains off of the glass top as well. Super easy, no problem.
No drama, yeah. He's got a bad history, but what about it? Yeah, he's got a bad history.
So here you guys, underneath my sink, the red thing there, the garbage disposal, the one that we had before, that's a new one that's there. The one we had before was leaking. It was just old when we first built the house. And so anyway, we had a plumber come in and replace it with this red one that you see now. So it's a great opportunity for me to clean out from underneath the kitchen sink and anything that I don't use or didn't use anymore that was just old. I threw all that stuff away. I didn't do a video on that because it was like an urgent thing because there was a lot of water that was leaking underneath there, so I couldn't do a video on it. But maybe later in the future I'll do a nice organized with me video of cleaning out underneath the kitchen sink. So that's what I'm doing here.
And every moment counts, baby, I don't wanna miss a thing. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, or hang out in hotel bars, driving somewhere in your car. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, under the stars. Baby, while we're young, baby, while we're young. Wide awake is the way that you left me, side by side in your car in the backseat. Wide awake is the way that you left me, oh. Now it's clear we are here back at your house, and I keep fading into the background. I'm wide awake, now you keep missing out for sure.
Now, my living room would probably be clean all the time if my little guy didn't play with Legos. So that is, of course, what I'm doing again, cleaning Legos out of the living room, because this is like where he puts them together, especially over the summer.
Won't you be mine? Won't you be mine? Spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden.
Well, that completes the cleaning portion of my video. So I hope you guys are still tuned in, because as I said in the beginning, I did something extra special for my family. So what I did is something that was very cheap, but yet will mean something to them. So I just went to the Dollar General and just picked up these $1 picture frames and a pack of index cards. And what I did was sat here and wrote a personalized note to each one of them. And then I bought this little $1 container and these goodies that I know each one of them would like, and I just placed it into the little goodie container that I'm going to place on the island with the extra special note that I wrote to each one of them. And what the whole purpose of this is just to do something special for my family. I know that they see me always cleaning, but then sometimes we kind of get mixed up in the day-to-day, and there's certain things that are certain special things that we probably should say to them that we may not say every day. So I thought this was a great opportunity to show them how much I appreciate them and how much I love them. And that way, in the morning when they get up, they'll wake up to these goodies that they can just pick from, and then there's a personalized note to each one of them from their mom or from me to them. So anyway, so I hope this helps motivate you, and that maybe you've done something special, extra special for your family too. And if you have, I would love to know about it. If you can leave a comment below, I would really appreciate that. So here I did change clothes because I got up, I was really tired, so I took a shower and I got up extra early the next morning and put everything out. So I was trying to hurry up before anybody woke up, so that way when they wake up, as I said before, they will see this extra special thing that I did for them. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I welcome you to my family in that way, and hit that ring bell notification so that way you don't miss another upload from me as well. Thank you again for watching.
Spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me.